Today I'm giving you a tour of my new listing, this absolute stunner out in Flat Rock Ridge. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, loaded with custom upgrades. Let me show you around, let's go. There's so much to see, including the first floor guest suite. So let's get started. So there's double height ceilings here in the foyer, and that takes you to the formal dining room or the home office. This huge island is a classy transition into this gourmet kitchen with special features like these pendant lights, variable height and depth cabinets, granite countertops. I love this range here too. You can get cozy in the living room next to this beautiful fireplace with the floor-to-ceiling stone hearth. And your guests can even wrap up their evening in their own first floor guest suite with full bath. Okay, so let's head upstairs. Oh, but take notice to this utility room and the mud room right here off the garage. I can't wait to show you out back. The first bedroom is actually being used as the media room, which is perfect if you want an additional space to binge your Netflix. Before we get to the very spacious primary suite, these bedrooms are great sizes, and the hall bath with quartz countertops is right here. Here we are. Look at the size of this room and the tray ceiling. Luxury bath, fully tiled shower, enclosed commode, and double vanities. Check out the closet. It is roomy in here. And look, it's loaded with custom touches everywhere. Now let's head out back. They've created a backyard that is all about comfortable seating and peace of mind. I mean, there's multiple areas to unwind or entertain a large crowd. And it's all on composite decking. And the lower section is complete with this attractive pergola, shades, and LED lighting. And there's room to play and space for your 4-legged friend to play in this custom dog run. Fido, he's not going to be able to dig his way out of this one. It has a poured concrete foundation, security camera so you can keep an eye on your pup. It has the plush turf, misting cooling station here. There's plumbing right here so your dog's not going to go thirsty. And then they've actually moved more plumbing out here for the rest of the yard. This home is sure to sell fast, so schedule your showing today. I'm Killinder with Homepage Realty. Thanks for watching.